Let me tell you something. My mentor once told me something that changed the way I look at problems. He said, "To every problem, there's a solution. And if your credit score is low right now, maybe in the 500s, or even lower, you might feel stuck, like doors are closed, like opportunities keep passing you by. But here's the truth. A low credit score is not permanent. It's just a system. And once you understand the system, you can start winning." Today, I want to show you a simple strategy that has helped people raise their credit score from poor to good standing in just a couple of years. And the steps are so simple, almost anyone can do them. First, you need to understand how money actually works. One book that has helped thousands of people learn this is Get Good with Money by Tiffany Alich. It breaks down budgeting, saving, debt, and credit in a way that actually makes sense. Because the truth is, most of us were never taught how money really works. But once you understand the rules of money, you stop fighting the system, and you start using it to your advantage. Next, download the Credit Karma app. Many bankers recommend it because it lets you see your credit score, track your progress, and explore credit card options that match your current credit profile. When you can clearly see your credit situation, you can start improving it intentionally. Now here's where real progress begins. If your credit score is low, one of the best tools you can use is a secured credit card. A secured card works differently from a normal credit card. You deposit money first, and that deposit becomes your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $200, your credit limit becomes $200. One secured card many people have used successfully is the Open Sky Secured Credit Card. And when used correctly, it can help you build a positive credit history. Now listen carefully, because this next part is the key. Do not use the card for large purchases. Instead, only use the card for very small monthly bills. Things like a Netflix subscription, a Hulu subscription, or another small recurring bill. Keep the balance very small, because the goal is not spending money. The goal is building a positive payment history. And this next habit is critical. Before the 21st of every month, pay the credit card completely off. Every single month. When the credit bureaus see consistent activity, low balances, and on-time payments, your credit score begins to rise, slowly but steadily. Once you've mastered managing one secured credit card, you can take this strategy even further. You can open a second secured card and repeat the same process. Now you have two accounts building positive credit history at the same time, and over time, that can help your credit grow even faster. The only difficult part for many people is coming up with the initial deposit. But once you get started, the long-term payoff can be life-changing. People have gone from credit scores in the low 500s to good standing in just a couple of years by following this exact strategy. So if your credit score is low right now, don't panic, don't feel embarrassed, and definitely don't give up. Because now, you have a plan. If this video helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Because sometimes, the information that changes someone's life is just one conversation away. And always remember, to every problem, there's a solution.